Hi guys, Moose here. This vid is going to be a trip out to Hunua to see the falls. Really pretty spot, about 40 to 45 minutes outside Auckland. After we get off the motorway, there's some really nice country roads. So let's get into it. 3 a litre. Wow. You might notice that I've taken the windscreen off the Himalayan. As a lot of Himalayan riders will notice, the noise, the vortex of wind coming off the top of the screen hits you right in the helmet, and it's really loud. And it's surprisingly, you take the screen off and it's a lot better. We've got a short screen on order from India, which should arrive in the next few days, so that'd be great. Alright, getting off the motorway here at Papakura. You probably noticed I don't have a GPS here. I'm kind of a seat of the pants kind of guy. I like to wing it, which usually works out alright, but as you'll probably see later on in this, I do go slightly astray. But it adds to the fun. Right, coming up to this intersection here, for the life of me, I could not remember which way to go. It was a guess, to be honest, to head left, and it's turned out it was the right way, so, well, hey, win for me. Here we are at Hunua. It's a short walk to the waterfall, but I thought I'd chuck the drone up and have a look. I'm still bit of a noob when it comes to flying the drone, so, give it a crack. And I notice here birds have a love-hate relationship with this bloody drone. Here they're dive bombing it. It was a sight to see. I mean, there were probably 15, 20 birds just dive bombing. So we're lucky there wasn't a fatality or a broken drone. So